I got this in the mail. I didn't know what it was, so I kind of opened it. It's from this Gadget Discovery, which I have no idea what this is. Okay, what the hell is this? It's a share, really, a stylus. Quick discovery. Yeah. Okay. Oh, look at this one. For your keys. That one's interesting. So you're telling me I spent literally $100 and this is what they gave me? Really? This crap? All this for $100? Really? You could get this crap for like 20 bucks. This is probably like $5. This is probably like 10 bucks. Probably like $1. Come on. Bullshit. How you open it? Really? $100 package. Yeah, look what they give you. Now this is some crappy items, literally. Out of all the stuff they gave me, I'm probably only gonna use one thing and one thing only. There you go. You put your phone in there, you clean it. There you go. I'll probably keep this one. This other crap is stupid. There you go. If you want crap like Gadget Discovery, there you go. Bunch of crap. Peace out.